Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to see how to create a Snowflake free trial account. So in a Google you have to search for the Snowflake free trial. You have to enter. You will see this particular link. You have to click on this Snowflake trial. Now after this you can see in the below you can see start your 30 days trial with $400 free credits. So you will get $400 free credit that actually you can utilize for the 30 days, and here you do not have to use any credit card. Means you do not have to submit any credit card required. Only you just need a email ID, your personal email ID, and with that you can create this account and you can use it for the 30 days. But suppose you want to use it for the 120 days, right? In this case what you have to do, you have to slash question mark trial equal to the student. So Snowflake provide for the student 120 days free trial. So you can see start your 120 days free trial. You will get $400 credit only, but you can use it for the 120 days. So this is the advantage. So we are going ahead with this. What you have to do, you have to submit your, you have to pass your first name, last name, and the work email. You can pass your personal email. And why are you signing up? Personal training and development. So for the training I am doing it. Click on the continue. Company name, as we are students, so I am writing student. Job title, data engineer. And Snowflake edition, so we are going ahead with the enterprise. Standard plus 90 days time trial we get, so we'll go ahead with the enterprise one only. Cloud provider, so we will select one of the cloud providers. I am selecting the AWS, but if you want Azure also you can select. And the region, we'll go ahead with the Asia specific region only, and we have to tick mark this and we have to click on the get started. What will you use Snowflake for? So this option you can select, or I will just click on the skip. Select your preferred language. You can select the preferred language, or I will just skip it. Now you will get one email here, whatever email you have submitted. Go there, in this one you have to activate your account. So click on the activate. Once you will click on the activate, you have to pass your username. Select our username and the password. So I will select my username Manish04, and the password I select my own, so I will give my password also here. For password, your password must be at 14 to 256 characters and contains at least one number, 0 special character, one uppercase and one lowercase. So this we have to remember. So make sure you remember your username and the password. Click on the get started. Now here you can see trial ends in a 119 days. So we are getting $400 credit for 120 days, and this we can utilize this for our learning perspective. I hope you got it. Please do create account so that we can do a practice.